Making a quiche at home is a simple and satisfying way to bring a touch of elegance to your everyday meals. This savory pie combines a buttery, flaky crust with a rich, creamy filling made from eggs, milk or cream, cheese, and your choice of meats, vegetables or herbs. Let's start by making the crust. Add the flour, butter and salt in a food processor and blitz until fine crumbs form. Then add 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of cold milk. You can also just use cold water. Why must be cold? Because it stops the butter from melting. Once a ball forms, pat into a disc, wrap in cling wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. For the meantime, let's prepare our filling. Sprinkle the work surface with flour. Unwrap the dough and place on the flour. Sprinkle the top with flour, then roll out into a 27 centimeters round. Gently roll the pastry so it wraps around the rolling pin. Unroll it over the quiche form. Press the pastry into the edges of the quiche form, patching up edges if required. Do not throw any trimmings, you can make a small crust from it. Prick the dough on the bottom a few times with a fork. Place a large piece of parchment paper over the pastry, then fill with baking beads to weigh it down. Then bake for 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then remove the beads and continue baking for another 15 minutes. Fill the crust with quiche filling. You can basically add any filling you like. We still have leftover bacon, mushrooms and Chinese cabbage from the fridge, so I decided to use them. I already cooked them ahead. Then add your favorite cheese. I added pecorino and Gouda cheese. Pour gently the egg and milk mixture. Bake for 45 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. Once it's ready, let it cool slightly before slicing.